Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Who that nigga thinking that he frontin' on me, man? Get the fuck off my stage, I'm the Sandman. Get the fuck off my dick, that ain't right. I make a play, fucking up your whole life. I'm so fucking sick and tired of the Photoshop. Show me something natural like Afro on Richard Prime. Show me something natural like ass with some stretch marks. Still I take you down right on your mama couch in polo such. Ay, this shit way too crazy. Ay, you do not amaze me. Ay, I blew cool from ACA. Obama just page me. Ay, I don't fabricate it. Ay, most of y'all be faking. Ay, I stay modest about it. Ay, she elaborated. Ay, this that great thing for the AV got the TED talk. Ay, watch my soul speak. You let the mess talk. Ay, if I kill a nigga, it won't be the alcohol. Ay, I'm the realest nigga after all. Bitch, be home.
All up, bitches. All up, bitches. All up, all up, all up, all up.
Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down. Be humble. Sit down.